So today I set out on a little mission of turning a block of firewood into a table that I could actually sell and make a bit of money off of. So this is going to be a bit of an sort of an upflip sort of situation. Like this piece of firewood was maybe worth like $1 or something. But I was going to try to turn it into something, yeah, a little table. First of all, I began by just quartering it with my uh, splitting maul. But then after splitting it, I did notice that it was a little bit punky inside. But that was alright because I have a special thing called epoxy that I can put on there and get some extra, get it stronger. So my first step was just by planing one side flat and then cutting another side on the bandsaw. And then from there what I did was did a little bit more jointing because I got it to the 6-inch mark, which is where what my joiner can handle. Then from there my goal was to make 2x2s out of these blocks of wood that I quartered and then did with the bandsaw and stuff like that. So I used my table saw. I set the blade width, blade height, and stuff like that to a certain height to get these 2x2s. From there, it took a little bit of trimming and I did have a little bit of waste on them, but in the end I did get pure true 2x2s. Well, at least decently. From there, it was going to be the glue up. For the table size, or for the top, what I was planning on doing was just a simple glue up with just to make a long, using my pipe clamps, just make a, it was not going to be terribly big, but maybe 2 feet by maybe 1 foot, 2.5 feet long by 1 foot wide sort of thing. But after the glue up, that glue up did not go as planned, but it was alright. But the boards were so wonky, I had to do a lot of planing, a lot of sanding, and some trimming to make it look nice. But in the end, it actually looked pretty decent, and I did some more sanding and topped it with epoxy and added some metal trapezoid legs that I bought off of Amazon for $40, and I hope to sell this piece for $120. Let me know what your thoughts are about this table. Like, I personally thought it turned out pretty decent. I mean, it took a little bit of work. It took about 3 hours of work, but in the end, I do think I kind of made a better piece out of this piece of poplar than just the firewood. But yeah, let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and check out some of my other videos.